Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier with Go High Level. First of all you have to do is go to the Zapier.com and sign in with your account. This page will open. You have to click on Zap. A new page will open. From here you will see two options, trigger and action. So in the trigger, I will search Go High Level. If I search Go High Level, as you can see, there is no support for the Go High Level in the Zapier. But what you can do is you can search lead connector. As you can see, we have lead connector supported in Zapier, and lead connector is a part of Go High Level, so you can select that as well. From here you can choose event, for example, pipeline stage changed. So if the pipeline stage change, what do you want to do with your actions? You also have to connect your lead connector account from here. So once you've done everything, you have to go to the actions tab and you can do anything. For example, I will search lead connector again in the actions, and my event will be add a task, add and update a contact. You can do anything according to your preference. For example, if I select add a task, so whenever my pipeline stage will be changed, then what will happen, it will add a task in a lead connector. Or you can also change the app. For example, you can search Google Sheets. If I type Google Sheets, and I can choose an event that it will create a spreadsheet column, create spreadsheet row, create a worksheet. You can do basically anything with that, and that's basically how you can connect Zapier with Go High Level. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.